How to transfer asset between Kucoin main account and trading account. So to transfer trading asset between now to transferring assets between your transferring asset between your Kucoin main account and trading account is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you know the drill. Go and log in into your Kucoin account, and when you're logged into your account, go and navigate to the asset page. So while you're on the asset page here, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and select the account. And when you've selected the account, you will see a various accounts such as main account, trading account, future account, etc. In my case, I have only one account, that is the trading account, so I'm unable to show you the procedure. But then you could go ahead and select it's something like this, and when you've actually done that, follow the prompt and then set up a transfer details. When you've done that, you can go ahead and initiate or confirm the transaction by tapping on the confirm button, and within a couple of hours later you should be notified that you've successfully transferred assets between Kucoin main account and trading account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.